Hello again mga ka-vibes. Hello, hello, hello. Good morning. Happy Wednesday. Snow is back. As you can see, look at that. Look at that guys, doing bicycle. Snow na snow, winter na winter. Whoa, slippery. Slippery. Snowing. Walang masyadong asin. Hindi pa naglagay ng asin guys. Pag walang asin talaga at saka graba, it's so hard to walk. Look at the mountain. Nando yung sun, oh. There's almost 9 o'clock in the morning. Ayun ang sun, oh, sa bilog sa taas. Alright. Let's go walking. Let's go walking. Of course, we cannot fly. We cannot cross. We need to walk. We cannot run. Walk, walk, walk lang. Madulas. Ayan, nag-snow kagabi. Ayan. Oh, lala. See? Winter is back. Madulas yung snow niya. Alright. Come on guys. Kumusta na kayong lahat dyan? Oh boy. Hirap maglakad. Madulas yung snow. Blowing snow pati. It's going to my face now. Sayang ang makeup. Sayang ang makeup. Sayang ang makeup. Blowing snow. Blowing snow is going to my face now guys. Mababasa ang ating tuyo. Mababasa ang ating tuyo. That's the park. Ay. Malamig guys, malamig. Malamig. Hello. Diba? Dito muna tayo. Madulas. Oh. May araw pa doon sa taas. Blowing snow. Alright. Ayun. Ito pang park, playground mga bata. May lake po dyan kaso natabunan ng snow. Ayan ang playground. Okay, thank you for watching. Blowing snow. Ay mga bike ko, napuro siya ng mga bike. That's electric bike. That's for rent. Nandiyan may isa mga pato pag summer. Diyan na lake. Pagkaso puno na ng snow. There. Alright. This is the small park. Cute park. Okay. Thank you for watching. Bye bye everyone. Thank you. Thank you. Woo. Ingat-ingat. Malamig na guys. Bye na, bye. Apros yan ang kamay ko.